Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable always on display in Samsung Galaxy A15. So, as you guys know that we don't have any default option of always on display in Galaxy A15, but we have a third party application. For this, all you guys have to do just go to Play Store and here search for MUVIZ. So on the second we have this option always on edge music. Just install this application. It may take some time and make sure you have a strong internet connection also. After installing, just open this application and set through this process. Like click here. After that, scroll down, we have option of Movies Edge. Just turn it on and give permission to it. After that, as you see, we have AOD option here. Just click here and we have a lot of always on display options. Just select any one of them. After that, click on apply. Then again go back and go to settings. As you see on the setting, we have second option always on display. Just click it and then turn the brightness to 100 and that's it. Now let me check it. As you see, always on display is working 100% okay on Samsung Galaxy A15. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.